What's going on, ladies and gents, little cats and dogs, viewers, subscribers, future subscribers, or people just being nosy? It's Big Sammy, guys. It's on the 2500 HD Silverado, big heavy Chevy Duramax. Wanted to show y'all. So we were in Charleston the other day. I was driving down the road, come back, and I was backing up. And anyways, when I was moving the truck, if you guys could see right there, there's a watermark. It was heavy rain, and it just splurted out all down the window, on the seat, and everything else. And see, I was sitting there thinking, oh my God, I don't have a sunroof in here. So the sunroof, I already know, is not a problem because I don't have one. So I started looking around the truck, and I'll show you guys what I found out. Let's get in the back here. So anyways, he went up to the light. I've already started doing some of it, so you guys didn't have to wait and watch everything. But I see condensation in that light. If you can see right there, coming over a little bit, you can see it right in the bottom. So I took this out as two screws, one right here, left and right. There's the screws right now. I've already got them made up to go back in. And then you literally take this out, and you guys can see, let's see if I can see it down in there. Well, I kind of got all the water out, but you can hear it. Hear that? Water. Anyways, what I think has happened, if you look at this gasket, is the gasket's smushed real bad. It's small. It's probably not even holding anything. I think water was coming right in the top, right in the ear, and coming out. And you can see right there, it was getting in through the right where that's the top of the headliner right there. You can see, and literally going right in and making a mess. So what we did is I said, well, you know, there's the water right there. See it? I don't know if you can see it in the middle, but anyways, it is cracked and it is leaking. So what I did is I looked in Amazon. I said I wanted to upgrade the light, so I found this light here for under 30 bucks. It's a LED light, plug and play. All the plugs work. Comes with a new gasket. I put the gasket on there already, so you guys wouldn't have to wait for me and get that done. And like I said, what we're going to do is we pull the piece out. You make sure all your plug-ins work. I'm pretty sure it's going to be okay, but I'm going to have somebody step on the brake after I'm done this installation and get them to check it and make sure it's all good. Tuck your wire back in there and make sure you don't pinch it, and it goes in there just like that. Let me put y'all down and see if y'all can take a look at it and see what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and put my screws back in there, take this light off a little bit, still protecting it, and I'm going to start my screw. Don't tighten them all the way down. I say like, you know, get it started, but don't tighten it all the way up. Just keep it where it won't fall out. Make sure it's going. And then you try the other screw. I said I'm pulling the protector wrap back. I'm going to make sure it's in the hole. Push it in there. And I like to use hand tight stuff, so you can use a drill or, you know, something else, but I wouldn't suggest it, because if you don't not careful, you might break the plastic. All right, so I got both of them semi-tight. What I'm going to do is I'm going to push on this right in the middle and kind of try to give it even pressure, maybe even use my arm, and I'm going to squish that new gasket into that new body. And I didn't show you guys, but what I did is I cleaned that little edge up. There was a bunch of old, you know, stuff that was trapped behind the light and everything, and what I did is I cleaned it up. So there's this tight right there. Pick it back up, pull the thing off, and take a look at it. I think it looks pretty slick myself. So we want to make sure the cab lights move down, and then that way, you know, it shines in the back of here. And then of course the brake light is right there. So let me put you guys back down and see if you guys can be my test subject and see if it looks good. And if not, you guys holler and say, Big Sammy, that doesn't look good, try it over. Let me see here. Get you just right here. All right, I'll be right back. Let me go step on the brake. And we just want to make sure that works. So there's that. And what we're going to do is turn on the cab lights, check those, turn them off, and hopefully that got everything and it looks nice. So I'll have to rewind the footage and check it out. But there's replacing your light, your cab light for your 2500 HD Silverado, or I think even the 1500s are like this too. I'm not sure about that, but an easy $30-something fix when you got water running in. I appreciate y'all. Before I go, I want to show y'all this. If for some odd reason you don't trust the gasket that comes with it, I don't know, the gasket was pretty good on it, but if you wanted to, you can get some of this 100% silicone and just lightly squeeze, you know, right around the top. I would leave the bottom open, but go around the top, put it in that crack all the way around, and maybe to this edge here, and leave the bottom open, so that if there's a situation where water gets in, it's got a way to get out before it goes back in your truck. All right, well, I appreciate y'all. Thanks for coming by, and like and share this if you guys like what we're doing. We appreciate the new subscribers always. Big Sammy, peace out.